When students who are applying to college request teacher recommendations, they do have to go through Naviance. All documents are sent to college applications electronically through Naviance. So if you get an email notification that a request has been submitted, or a student reminds you, hey, I'm going to send you this through Naviance, please make sure you get it uploaded, this is how you do it. You're going to log into Naviance. Again, thank you, Mrs. Pfister, for letting me use your account so you could see what this looks like from the teacher side. If the student has followed the process, they will have already shown as a requested on your first prompt here. So our test student, Troy Palomalu, has requested that Mrs. Pfister submit a teacher recommendation. When you select the student, it will take you to the page where you can do this. Now, the trickiest part here is discovering if the student applied to their school using Common App or not Common App. So that's something I would recommend that you ask a student. If you see the Naviance request come through in your email, you could even reply to the student, not reply back, but forward or reply to the student and say, did you apply via Common App or not? If there is a Common App for that application for that student, you need to do two things. You need to prepare the Common App teacher evaluation form, which you can just go ahead and fill out and have it ready to go. Or if it's not Common App, you would just need to upload your letter of recommendation. For applications that are Common App applications, you cannot just do the letter of recommendation. It will not submit unless you've done the Common App form with it. All other non-Common App applications, just uploading the letter works. So if you click on Upload Letter, obviously you need to have the file ready. So you could use Word, you could use Google Docs. I recommend downloading it as a PDF to submit, and you're going to choose your file. So just for an example, I'm going to use just the blank letterhead. This is a Word document, that works as well. And then you would upload the file. When it has uploaded, us counselors on the counselor side, we do show that that document has been uploaded. And again, we might see that a student has uploaded via, or a teacher has uploaded this but not done the Common App evaluation. And if it needs to be a Common App evaluation accompanying that letter, we might reach out to you as well. So on here, it does show that we've now uploaded this document, and that little alert that I've missed, here we go. To upload for a specific college, you might go to eDocs Prepare tab. I can show you how to get there. So now when I log back in, I don't have any requests. I just have this in progress. And again, it's for Troy Palomalu. So it's going to take me back right to that same thing here. If I want to submit my files, I can't do that right now because this blue arrow shows the student doesn't have any active applications, which might mean they've asked for your recommendation but haven't completed the application or haven't finished it in Naviance. You've done your part. The counselor will see that your letter is uploaded. The counselor can submit. Now, if I'm looking for Troy Palomalu here and I want to see if that application has happened or, kind of where he is, I just went to who he was up here in the search bar and I clicked on eDocs like that little reminder showed me on my previous screen. And it does show that this letter of recommendation was here. If you click the Prepare button, that shows that he has a letter of recommendation, and I can even view it to see what was uploaded. So you're good to go. Everything is in there and set. The student at this point just is missing his application. So all of that will be, compiled by the student. So you have done your part.